Yo, what's good, everybody? I thought I would make a video about this Armor Ultra Shine Headlight Restoration wipes. I'm changing the oil on my 2008 Toyota Tundra today, and as you can see, the headlights are absolutely 100%, almost completely oxidized. So I thought, what better time to try some of this product. I've used in the past toothpaste to puff them out. I've used like the mosquito repellent, you know, which that'll take a lot of that opaque residue off from the oxidation. But this here is a pack made specifically for cleaning this, and they have a sealer in it. So what you get in this is these little pads, these little wipes, and you have 4 cleaning pads and 2 sealer pads. So we're going to try this product out today and see how it works. And I figured, well, while we're doing this, we might as well make a video and post it to YouTube so you guys can see if this product will work for you as well. So let's get started. So first you have to start with a clean, dry headlight. So I've already cleaned this and dried it, so I'd save you the misery of having me to watch that. But each light you get 2 Ultra Shine cleaning pads, and I'm going to open one up here, and you're going to see that you want to keep this folded and use the folded side down, and you got to vigorously come back and forth on it or you can already see it's removing that oxidation pretty good. And they say you got to stay firm with it, back and forth, back and forth. And even though it may look clean, you got to keep cleaning. You want to use both pads. You don't want to save one. Wow, look at that. Look at all that oxidation that was on there. So we'll do this other side now. These are 2008. These are original headlamps, so I mean, they're not going, I don't expect them to be fully clear and all that yellowing to go away. I don't expect that at all, to be honest with you. But if we can get, you know, some of that stuff off of there, then I'll be very happy. Wow, even the second go around. First go around, second go around. Oh, it's bled through. Look at that. Alright, let's keep it moving. I mean, it's already starting to want to come back as soon as I get all that stuff. Look at that. Yeah, as soon as I get it off, it wants to come right back on there. So these headlamps may not even be worth trying to save. I may just have to replace them, but it's worth a shot. If I can get, you know, say 6 months more to a year out of these old lamps, I'll be happy. Yeah, it's crazy. Look at that. I mean, as soon as I start getting them clean, stuff comes right back. But you can definitely tell a bit of a difference. So I bought my cleaning kit at AutoZone or Advanced Auto, whichever one you want to call it. Cost me $11.95. Look at that, I got it on the paint, so I'm gonna have to come back and clean that up. So don't get it on your paint. They had other kits there that were a lot more expensive, upwards to like 50 bucks, I think, and like a buffing type of kit. And I buffed these lights out before. I've again, I think I said I used toothpaste. You can use toothpaste on it. You can use a paste wax or heavy duty rubbing compound, even sandpaper. You know, some people wet sand them and that gets a lot of that oxidation out. I mean, I work in the yachting industry, and I've spent many hours buffing and waxing and detailing boats, so I'm really familiar with using all that kind of equipment. That's not bad, you know what I mean? So directions say to use both of these cleaning pads. So I'm going to put this one to the side. We're going to go ahead and open the second one now. You can see that stuff on my hands too. Look at. Alright, start with the second one. Keep it folded. And that's primarily to keep any evaporation from happening and leaving the cloth there. So look, it's already starting to, you see that hazing coming back, but it's more oxidation coming off of that. Look at that. So let's keep going, keep cleaning. And I may do a follow-up video if this is successful and I do get these things somewhat decently clean. Maybe do a 6-month or 2 months or 3 month, whatever, and follow up on it and show you guys how long it's lasted and what it looks like. Maybe I do a before and after photo of that. Yeah, this stuff definitely taking the oxidation, going deep into the plastic and pulling that oxidation to the surface and getting it off the lens. That is facts. But I mean, this isn't an easy job, man. I mean, you got to put some elbow grease into it. And again, I'm getting it all over the stinking paint, so I'm gonna have to come back with some buffing wax and buff that out, wax that out. Hopefully it's not damaging the paint. I don't think it is, but who knows. So yeah, there we go. So we're just about there. So I think you're going to want to work pretty quickly after you get the oxidation off. You want to go ahead and get a sealer on it and seal that, because I think what's happening is that this chemical is kind of opening up the pores of this plastic and pulling that oxidation out. But if you do not close those pores back, just like in any kind of a paint surface or a polymer based surface or any kind of surface that has porous, paint, plastics, all that kind of stuff, if you don't come back and seal it with a polymer sealant, then it's just going to keep it open and allow the oxidation to come through even more so. Oh my goodness, man, you got to really stay on top of this, because I mean, it is going quickly. I mean, but you can see less and less oxidation on the happening on the cloth for sure. All right, we're getting close. Getting close to sealing it anyway. You know, I don't know, maybe that hazing's from old wax and stuff that I used at one point. Maybe, I'm not really sure. I mean, again, these are original headlights, so these are 2008, which is really 2007. So, you know, here it is in 2020. All right, we're looking good. I'm just run over a little bit more here and see if we can come back with a sealer. Now with the sealer, you have to have the mindset of like you're painting, because you're putting a coat, right? You want to make sure that you get as much of this surface sealed as possible. If not, you're going to continue having oxidation problems coming down the line. Lord knows we don't want that. I mean, again, these are old headlights, and you can probably get, you know, for this Tundra, I know I can probably buy a set of headlights for a couple $100, but you know, it's Christmas time, and use some money to buy people gifts and stuff right now. Hold on, before I do that, let's just go one really quickly. Again, just go through it one more time. Okay, now time for the sealant. And again, This is a polymer based sealant, so you want to, it's like repainting, right? So you want to just try to stay, and you want to go back and forth. Not back and forth, you just want to stay like this. And seal it. Wow, I'm actually very impressed with that. The sealer is the magic. Look at that, gets all that last bit of oxidation off. So you don't want to go back and forth. You want to just coat it. And I actually missed a step. You're supposed to wipe the surface down after you got done cleaning it with a cloth, like a dry cloth. I actually brought a microfiber cloth out here to do that, and in my haste I totally skipped that. But I do have to say that this is actually really impressive to be able to look at that before and after. I'll show you. I'll take the camera and show you really quickly. It's a good product though. I mean, wow. Wow, that's a lot better than I was expecting, to be quite honest with you. That is very impressive, Armor All. Very impressive. Wow. All right, there you have it. Look at that. I'm going to go over and show you the other one. There's the other one. So look at that. Now come back over here and look at this. It's like night and day. Wow. It's a far back shot. There you go, man. Look at that. Anyway, if you're needing your headlights restored, I'm not getting paid for this video. I just thought I would make a video, and I'm pleasantly surprised of the outcome. $11.95 Armor All Ultra Shine Headlight Restoration Wipes. That's all you really need. So check back with me in 6 months from now, 3 months from now, and 6 months from now, and I'll do a comparison video so you guys can see how long they've lasted. This stuff I think was supposed to last for a year, and we'll see if it really does. Ciao.